In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the strategy tester in MetaTrader 5 or how to test any trading robot using MetaTrader 5. First, you need to open the strategy tester. You come to Expert Advisors. You choose the robot that you want to test. Right click, choose the test option. It will open the strategy tester for you. The other option that you have is to go to View and go to Strategy Tester. To open the strategy tester for you, or click Ctrl and R on your keyboard to open the strategy tester. First option that you have is to choose the robot that you want to test. I'll be testing the crossover robot. You need to choose the symbol that you want to test. If the symbol that you want to test is not available here or you can't see it here, you need to come to your market watch list, click to add, and then add whatever symbol that you want to test, and then you'll be able to see the symbol here. You need to choose your time frame and the date. We have 4 options: entire history, last month, last year, and custom period. I'll be speaking with custom period, and I'll be testing the robot from January 2022 the 2nd until September 2022 the 9th, which is Friday. Here, this option here is this is where you choose to forward test your EA without any optimization results, or without any optimization. And then you have the delays. This is where you can choose how long it should take for your EA to execute a trade. And we have this option here. It's a bit advanced. This is where you choose your commissions, your risk management, your maximum trades, or according to how your broker limits you to open trades in a day. We have margins and risk management, and this is a bit advanced, which you can test out and see how you can use those advanced settings. And we have the modeling. This is the type of data that you want to use to test your EA on. Every tick and every tick based on real ticks. These 2 options are the 2 options that are a bit closer, or they are more like the real market conditions that we get when we trade on a live account. And we have 1 minute open, high, low, and close prices, and then we have the open prices only option, and then the math calculations. I'll be using the open prices only so that the testing can be quicker and the video won't be long because of me waiting for the big testing to finish. We have profit in pips for faster calculations. This option can give you an idea of what type of profits you can get with the EA, but then this type of option excludes the commissions, the spread, the swap fees that you have on your broker, which I don't think it's a reliable option, but you can try it out if you just want to quickly run a test on your EA. And then the deposit, you can choose any amount that you want. I'll be using $10,000. Just want to give it enough money to test the EA. And we have leverage, which you can choose from the options you have here, or just choose your own leverage. I'll be leaving it out. I'll leave it as it is. And optimization, just leave it disabled for now. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to optimize any robot that you have after testing it and seeing the results. Once you're not happy with the results, show you guys how to optimize any EA. And this option is to just visualize the testing of the robot, to just visually see when those conditions or those setup come and the EA takes a trade. And then the last one which you need to pay attention to, which is important, is the inputs. With the inputs, we have with the inputs, this is where you see what inputs you have or what type of settings you can give your EA before running it or testing it. I have moving averages and I have stop loss and take profits. They are in points, not pips. When you see this number here, don't be shocked. It's just in points. I believe in pips, it could be somewhere around 600 if I'm not mistaken. And I have the risk percentage per trade. I'll be risking 2% on every trade that the robot takes, and I'll leave the moving averages as they are, 10 and 21. Now let's start the test, and we'll be able to see the visual testing of the EA. The grid, you can choose the speed that you want the robot to test to use, and let's make it a bit faster for the sake of the video. I believe it's done. When you're done testing your robot and you come to backtest, this is where you'll see how the EA performed, and I'll make a video on what everything here means so that you can be able to interpret the results that you get from your EA. But for this video, I'll just show you guys that I'll talk about the initial deposit, total net profit, and gross profit, gross loss. You can see the 10,000 that we started with, the profit, the total net profit that the EA made from 10k to 22k, the gross profit, which shows how much the EA made in total, including the losses that it took in the backtest. Here we have the gross loss, which shows that we lost about 108,999 yeah guys, and you can come to the graph to see how the EA performed. A graph like this one looks like a good graph, but it's not the type of graph that you want to have when you take the robot into a live market. You need to have a smooth chart going to the upside to show that your EA or the strategy is good enough to be traded on a live account.